Hey everyone! Welcome to the Tech Play YouTube channel. If you're new to Adobe Premiere Pro and want to learn how to edit your first YouTube video, you've come to the right place. In the next 10 minutes, I'll guide you through the basics: importing media, cutting clips, adding transitions, text, audio, and exporting your video. Let's jump in.
First, open Premiere Pro and click on New Project. Give your project a name, like My First Video, or Project, and choose where to save it. Organization is key. If you're unsure about the settings, don't worry, the defaults will work fine for now. Once that's done, click OK, and you're ready to roll. Next, create a sequence by Ctrl+ and choose Digital SL or 1080p 30 frames. Click on that, dragging one of your video clips onto the timeline panel. Premiere will automatically match the sequence settings to your clip, so you don't have to worry about resolution or frame rate. The timeline is where all the magic happens. Think of it as the canvas where you build your video, piece by piece. 1080. Let's bring in your video files. Head to the media browser, locate your clips, and drag them into the project panel. This is your library where everything you need for your video lives. Pro tip: keep things organized by creating bins. Just right-click in the project panel, choose New Bin, and name it something useful, like Clips or Music. Trust me, you'll thank me later. Into the basics of editing tools. The Selection tool, shortcut V, lets you move clips around. The Razor tool, shortcut C, is for cutting clips. Click where you want to cut. The Rate Stretch tool, shortcut R, changes the speed of a clip without changing its in and out points. Then switch back to the Selection tool to delete or rearrange. To trim a clip, hover over its edge, click, and drag. It's that simple. Oh, and don't forget, Ctrl+C in Windows, or Command+Z on Mac, your best friend for undoing mistakes. Let's add some background music. Let's bring in your audio files. Head to the media browser. Drag an audio file into the timeline's audio track. Show adjusting the audio levels in the audio clip mixer panel. If audio clip mixer panel not visible, click on Windows, select on that, or click Shift+9. If it's too loud, click the audio clip, go to audio clip mixer, and lower the volume. Aim for a balance where your voice is clear and the music complements it. Next, let's add text. Select the Type tool, shortcut T, click anywhere in the preview window, and type your text. I type beach. You can customize the font, size, color, and position in the Essential Graphics panel. Play around until it looks just right. If Essential Graphics panel was not visible, click on Window, chose Essential Graphics panel. You can also directly access it by pressing Ctrl+T in Windows or Command+T in Mac. I change stroke, size, and direction in Essential Graphics panel. To make your edits smoother, let's add a transition. Go to the Effects panel, search for Cross Dissolve, and drag it between two clips on your timeline. You can also add Page Turn Transition. If it's lag the transition, click I and O between transition. Click Enter. The video plays smoothly. To adjust the duration of the transition, just drag its edges on the timeline. Simple, right? Finally, let's export your masterpiece. Go to File, Export, Media, or select Export on panel. For YouTube, select H.264 as the format and pick a preset like YouTube 1080p. This ensures your video looks great when uploaded, or match source adaptive high bitrate. You can choose this also. Click Export, and Premiere Pro will render your video. Depending on your computer, this might take a few minutes. Perfect time to grab a coffee. And that's it. You've just completed your first video edit in Premiere Pro. Congrats! If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what kind of projects you're working on. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.